I would like to know what their thoughts are on what kind of market it will be this next year.
Most likely, the stock market in 2016 will have some elements of 2015. That is bumpy. Some periods will feel okay. Some periods will feel not so okay. My best guess is we're going to have another single-digit year. Hopefully a positive sign in front of the single-digit number. I don't expect we'll have a runaway market to either side.
You know, I've always heard about the Social Security market, you know, like, will that be there? I'm only 31. Is that still going to be there when I'm ready to retire?
Yes, I think it's going to be there. I think it's going to be there in the long run, but I don't think it's going to be a lot of money relative to what people have been used to during their working lives, and that's why I think it's so important to begin saving at an early age and to accumulate money, to invest that money so that you've got something to supplement Social Security when you finally do reach retirement.
Is it still wise to invest in precious metals?
Silver, gold, precious metals, boy, they've had a tough time in the last few years. My view is if you want to hedge against everything else in your portfolio, maybe you own some precious metals. But if you can avoid it, my view is don't be in any hurry. And if you do have some, just don't make it a big percentage of your portfolio.
It would be interesting to know why gas prices are so low after they were so high.
There's just very low oil prices around the world. There's a surplus of oil. It's going to take a while to mop that up. I think it will be mopped up over the next few years. I think oil prices will move higher, and when oil prices move higher, gasoline prices will also. But for right now, the reason gasoline is cheap is because there's a lot of it and a lot of crude oil from which it is made, obviously.
I'm more concerned about how the market's going to do next year globally. That's what I'm concerned with.
The global economy has got some puts and some takes, I guess is the right way to put it. Here in the U.S., the economy was okay, not great, but good enough. Europe, including the UK, was reasonably okay. China slowed down, Japan was slow, and the big problems with the emerging markets including a slowdown in China. So there's some good news and some not so good news. You put it all together, the world was okay, but not great.